So second part of this video, I have to stop it because I was about to make this oil for my grandson. It's the eczema oil, and I opened this bottle. So if anyone know what this is, can you let me know? It just thick, like so thick. Is this oil supposed to be like this? Because I am not sure. Does it spoil? I don't know, because I used myrrh before. It's never looking like this. It's just thick that I can't get it out. Anyways, we're not going to use this today. I am going to use lavender instead. So let's cap this. Then I'm going to use 4 drops of rose. And 6 drops. Be patient with me. Just have to find my lavender. So, lavender. And I'm going to put 5 drops. You always need to top your oil off because these oils are very strong. Especially in children. And there we go. I'm just gonna let this sit for about a week and a half before I use it. Let me know how you use these oils to make your oil, and please share, comment. If you do not hear from me at the same time, I'm just busy, guys. And also you can find me on Facebook, IngridJoyAromas. You can find me on TikTok, IngridJoyAromas. and also on Instagram. Thanks for watching.